So after unboxing our lift, we want to make sure we have all of our components. We have the base, the mast, the charger, the push handle, the cradle, and then in the smaller box that comes with the lift, we have the charger power source, the hand control, the battery and control box, and 2 hardware packs. Before attaching the mast to the base, you want to make sure that you lock the rear casters to prevent any accidental movement. Before inserting the mast into the base, we want to remove the 4 5.5 millimeter Allen head bolts, which we'll use to attach the mast to the base. Once those 4 bolts are removed, you can now insert the mast into the base. You want to slide it in carefully, avoiding pinching your fingers. You want to line up the holes and use the 4 bolts that you removed previously to attach the mast to the base. Once the mast is connected to the base, you want to locate your spreader bar, remove the cotter pin. Next, you want to insert the spreader bar into the receiver. You want the angle to be up. Slide the pin through the holes. Insert the locking pin. And your spreader bar is ready to go. After installing the mast into the base, you want to locate your 4 5 millimeter hex head bolts that you will use to attach the push handle to the mast. Once you line up the 4 holes using your 5 millimeter Allen wrench, you will attach the bolts to the mast. Then the 2 on the other side. Make sure it's secure. Okay, now to assemble the control box to the mast. We're going to remove the battery from the control box by lifting up on this lever here. You want to remove the paper that's blocking the terminals. Next, we're going to remove the 2 screws that are in the mounting bracket using a Phillips head screwdriver. Next, we'll slide the control box onto the mounting bracket using the grooves that are channeled in the back of the control box. Next, we'll secure the control box to the mast using the 2 Phillips head screws we removed prior. Now you're ready to insert the battery pack into the control box. Put the bottom in first and just push the top in while squeezing the clamp. Twist the emergency stop button. Should give you power. Now you can connect the actuator to the control box. And the third port is for the hand control. Next, we're going to attach the cradle using the cradle attachment bolt. You want to slide the attaching bolt up through the cradle. You're going to align the hole in the boom. And then using the 8mm attaching bolt, I'm going to thread this through, securing it with the nut on the opposite side. And your lift is fully assembled. To set up your charger, you want to attach the power cord to the charger. You're going to attach the power to the wall. You should get a green indicator light showing that you have power going to the charger. Next, you want to remove the battery from the lift by lifting up on the latch. You're going to slide this into the charger. The light on the charger should turn orange, indicating that it is charging. Once the battery is done charging, it'll turn green, to which you can remove the battery from the charger, reattach it to the lift, so you can use the lift once again.